Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to turn off all chat notifications in Telegram on Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device and go to the settings menu. To do this, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, then select settings. In settings, tap on notifications and sound. This section allows you to manage all types of notifications within Telegram. To turn off notifications for private chats, tap on private chats and toggle notifications off. This will disable all notifications from individual chats. Next, go back to notifications and sounds and select groups. Toggle off notifications for groups to stop receiving alerts for group messages. Toggle off notifications for groups to stop receiving alerts for group messages. If you want to disable notifications for channels as well, go to channels and toggle notifications off. For complete silence, you can also turn off notification sound and vibrate settings under each category if they're still active. And that's it, you have successfully turned off all chat notifications in Telegram. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.